to the divine means you think only about the God in yourself. For yourself, you think on God in your heart and meditate on God and concentrate on God. And always think good about yourself and also for others. Always think that God is with you and you are doing one not only for yourself but also for others, and think that God is doing the work by you, and He is the chariot and the wire puller. He is controlling everything, and think that you are always working good for yourself and for others and do some good things for others, and always think that God is in you and meditate on God and do some good work for your betterment and for others' betterment. And think that the work you are doing is uh, is doing by God, and He is controlling everything. And this is the first thought. The second thought is serve only to the divine. Means you only work for the God that is the supreme power, He is the supreme authority, and do some good work for the welfare of others and for yourself, that is for your bright future, and always do some good things, that you come on this earth to do some good work, that is for your bright future. Serve only to the divine means work only for the divine, means the supreme God. He is the controller and He is the supreme power in this world. He is the supreme authority in this world, and He is controlling everything. And always do your work and don't think about the consequences, whatever the result may be, good or bad. But always you do your work wholeheartedly with full devotion and with complete surrender to the God, the supreme power. He is the charioteer, and always do your work with full devotion and complete surrender to the God. This is the second thought. And then the third thought is work only for the divine. Means